Hello, if you want to get notified for deals or discounts from Temu on your WhatsApp, I'm gonna show you how to turn this option on. After opening Temu on your mobile device, you will maybe already get notified with a message which is called subscribe to WhatsApp to be notified first on limited deals. You can tap on OK and go through the process to subscribe to the WhatsApp notifications. For notification reasons, you also get a code to your phone and type it in right here. Once you did that, your WhatsApp is connected to Temu now. It means you will get messages and notifications from Temu about limited deals or discounts. If you don't see this message reminder here on top, you can also just go to the settings, then tap on notifications. Here in the first section, which is called promotions, you can tap on edit. On this pop-up, you can see that your WhatsApp is already connected if you've done it before. If it's not connected, you can just toggle on this option and go through the process of subscribing. You can unsubscribe to WhatsApp and disconnect WhatsApp anytime from your Temu account. If you check your WhatsApp, you can already see Temu as a new contact. Right inside the chat, you can anytime unsubscribe to this feature. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching.